Do you guys want to know how you guys can save your TikTok video as live photo? Well, it's pretty simple and you guys are at the right video, because in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you guys can save any TikTok video as a live photo. So it's pretty simple, so follow these steps without skipping this video, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. But before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, if you want to save any videos as like a live photo on your phone, basically, just select the video. So right now I'm gonna select one of my video, but you can select it from your For You page as well. So let's say I want to save this video, which is my video, as a live photo. I can click on this three dot. Once I click on this three dot, at the bottom section you can scroll at the right until you see live photo over here. Once you see live photo, you can click on live photo. APK installation notice. So if you guys haven't installed this plugin which is required by TikTok to transform video into live photo, you need to install it. So you can click on install now, and after it is installed, you can basically as you guys can see, TikTok wall picture, I can install it. And after this thing is installed, you can basically just do the steps which I did. Click on the three dot, scroll at the right until you see live photo, click on live photo, and the photo will be downloaded as a live photo. So I'm gonna wait until this installs and I'm gonna show you guys again. So after it's installed, you can just basically go on TikTok again and click on this three dot, scroll at the right, click on live photo, and it's downloading as a live photo right now. Wait for some time until it downloads. And as you guys can see, this is my live photo over here. So I can click on apply, and yeah, as you guys can see, it has turned into a wallpaper. So yeah, that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, bye bye, have a nice day. And yeah, you just don't have to save it in as a wallpaper. You can also save it as on your gallery as well. So I did it in wallpaper just because it's fun to show you guys. So yeah, have a nice day.